Omelet approved. Welcome, chili heads, to another episode of Spirituality Through Capsaicin. I am your host, Omelet 24/7, and today we have a pepper unboxing from Jason Capsaicin out of Hellfire Farms. They are in South Georgia. Yay! He asked me if I ever tried the Warthog. I was like, nope. And next thing I know, cha-ching! So yeah, we have the pepper unboxing. What I like about him, he too is in recovery, so it's kind of cool that we both have peppers in our journey. I've met a lot of cool people through this pepper experience, and I'm about to meet a whole lot more. So I am real excited. We will try his Warthog pepper because it was requested. Very well packaged. Thank you for your purchase. If you are happy with everything, set our sales on fire with a great review. Enjoy 15% off your next order with the code hellfirefarms.etsy.com. Such an honor, such an honor. Yeah, oh man, it is well packaged. That is so cool. Yes, let's enjoy the card, eh? Hellfire Farms, South Georgia. That is way cool. Hellfire Farms, South Georgia, 100% organic panic. That is way cool. Organic panic. Proudly grown in the Deep South. Omelet Pepper Company. We wanted to take a moment to thank you truly for trying our super hot peppers, broadcasting your experience and supporting the hard work behind every harvest at Hellfire Farms of South Georgia. Each pepper you taste is the result of 100% closed loop, organic, labor-intensive process that begins and ends on our small family farm. Every contribution to our soil, every amendment, every nutrient comes directly from the land we work with our own hands. It is a process rooted in passion, not convenient, and it means the world to have that work recognized and shared with the community. At Hellfire Farms, we believe in more than just heat. We believe in connection. We are proud to be a safe and welcoming space for all pepper creators, growers, sauce makers, spice enthusiasts, and chili heads. Whether you're experimenting with new hybrids, cooking up small batch sauces, or simply creating the burn, you have a home here with us. I feel that. We strongly encourage collaborations and are always eager to support the voices and visions of fellow fire lovers. When you partner with us, you're not just joining a brand, you're joining a movement fueled by authenticity, community, and a love for all things spicy. Thank you again for your support. Your voice matters, help carry the flame further, and we're grateful to grow with you. Welcome to the farm, Jason and Ramona. Thank you, Jason and Ramona. Goosebumps. The others. So, Warthog Red. Oh yes, he does do the St. Jude, so support St. Jude's. Let's see what these Warthogs are all about. There are a lot of them in here. I love the packaging. I've never had a batch like this. I almost don't want to undo it. Ooh, wow. Holy cow. Holy cow. No, I haven't had these. Holy cow. Wow, there's a bunch of them. Look at this. No, I haven't. And I didn't eat. Dang, I wasn't expecting huge monsters. So we will try one of the Warthogs. I noticed we did have some chocolate primatalis in here, some 7-Pop bubble gums, some bubble gum, some Warthog yellow, and some other Warthog yellow. But I'm interested to see what his chocolate primatali is like. Wow, these are massive too. So, organic closed loop farming. These peppers are the best peppers I have ever got in the mail, period. It is an honor, sir. and Ramona. I've mainly known Jason. There's 7 pop bubblegum, red and yellow. Sorry, you see the ones I get excited about. These are even huge. Now these are bubblegum because of the top. Peach bubblegum. Now that's very interesting. Oh, I guess while we're looking at peppers, I could be burning. Man, these are massive. I don't think there is a lighter version. Whoa. We'll save that one for when I eat. I haven't ate nothing today. I can't believe I'm going to eat these on an empty stomach, y'all. First ever. Huge, massive warthog on an empty stomach. Oh, wow. The water was awesome. Refreshing on a summer day. A little bit. We haven't even got down to the hot part. Oh. Closed loop farming. There we go. I need to start learning the camera, huh? Come on. Whoa. Oh, wow. That one got me. But maybe tomorrow we'll see how many we eat. We'll probably try to eat one from every bag. Wouldn't that be cool? Oh. Here we go, huh? So, wow, right at 5 minutes. That's cool. Yeah. Hot right off the bat. I already feel my gums throbbing. These are very spicy. Like I said, these are the largest pods I've had. But yeah. Yellow warthog's probably as huge as those. Crying out my nose already. 1:22 seconds. Yeah, beautiful. Wow, these look like Ben. Wow. So, these are probably hotter. Like I said, Ben's a mutt. I don't know what it is. Immediately at peace. Wow, these are so crazy. Yeah, he's got my business. These are hot. You know, this last video, I didn't need to blow my nose. Something told me to grab these. Whoa. Yeah. Wow, that shut me up if you couldn't tell. The 2-minute warning. Definitely, I feel it on my tongue now. Usually I don't get a mouth burn. Now I got a mouth numb. I should have weighed that pepper. Dang. Yeah, back of the throat's itching. Back of the ear's itching. It's like... Wow. Complete euphoria off of one. Man, I am so grateful I met them. Whew. Omelet approved. Highly approved. Like, I've never had peppers like this. His peppers are insane. Like, you can see it. This is my favorite one. Still crying pretty hard. I'll probably restart it. You guys can do that. But just in case, as always, thank you for watching and have a blessed day.